An online shopping platform gathers data like customer browsing behavior, purchase history, and payment details to deliver personalized product recommendations. While these recommendations improve the shopping experience, some users are worried about their personal data being stored and possibly misused without their consent. This raises ethical concerns around data privacy, transparency, and user control. Key issues identified. First, data privacy. Users are concerned that the collection of their personal data might be excessive or intrusive. Storing sensitive information, such as payment details, raises risks if there are data breaches. Second, lack of transparency and consent. Users may not fully understand what data is being collected or how it is used. Platforms might not provide clear options for users to control or opt out of data collection. Third, ethical use of AI. AI systems need to be fair and unbiased. If AI algorithms are improperly designed, they could discriminate, example, by promoting certain products over others based on user profiles. Ethical concerns arise when platforms use behavioral data to exploit customers by nudging them into unnecessary purchases. Fourth, data security risks. In case of poor security practices, customer data can be leaked or hacked. Payment information, if compromised, could result in financial losses for users. Ethical guidelines for responsible AI use. First, informed consent. Platforms should clearly inform users about what data is being collected and how it will be used. Users must have the choice to opt out of specific data collection or personalized recommendations. Second, transparency and communication. The company should provide easy to understand privacy policies. Users should know who has access to their data and for what purpose. Third, data minimization. Collect only the essential data needed for providing services. Limit the storage duration of personal data. Fourth, user control and privacy by design. Implement features that allow users to control their data, such as deleting their purchase history or deactivating their accounts. Use privacy-friendly techniques such as data anonymization and encryption. Fifth, fair AI practices. Ensure that recommendation algorithms are fair and unbiased. Conduct regular audits to detect and mitigate any biases in AI systems. Sixth, security measures. The platform must adopt strong cybersecurity protocols to protect user data. Implement multi-factor authentication and encryption to safeguard payment information. Proposed solutions for the shopping platform. First, implement a transparent privacy policy. Display a concise summary of the data collection and usage policy at the time of account creation. Notify users if any changes are made to the privacy policy. Second, provide users with data control options. Allow customers to view, edit, or delete their data. Include an option for customers to disable personalized recommendations. Third, adopt ethical AI models. Regularly monitor the AI recommendation system for any biases or unfair patterns. Avoid using AI to manipulate user behavior. Toward unnecessary purchases. Fourth, ensure secure data handling. Store sensitive data like payment details in encrypted formats. Conduct regular security audits and employ multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Conclusion: balancing personalization and privacy is crucial in the age of AI. While personalized recommendations improve the shopping experience, they must be implemented ethically to protect users' privacy and data. The shopping platform must focus on transparency, user control, and data security to build trust with customers. Ensuring these ethical practices will foster long-term relationships with users, promote responsible AI use, and safeguard customer data from potential misuse.